A box with a square bottom and an open top must have a volume of 32,000 cubic centimeters. Find the dimensions of the box that minimize the amount of material used. Let's start by sketching the box. So we know that the base has a square bottom. So those sides are the same. We are not told that the height is the same. So we need to call it y. We need to use a different variable. Now we know something about the volume. The volume is the base, x squared, times the height, y. And we're told that the volume is 32,000 cubic centimeters. So we can set 32,000 equal to x squared y. Next, recognize that we're trying to minimize the amount of material used. That is surface area, the amount of material. So the surface area is the area of the base, x squared, and then the sides are all xy, and there's 4 of them, so we have 4 times xy. Our goal is to minimize surface area. In order to do that, we need to write surface area in terms of a single variable. Lucky for us, we have volume. We can use the volume equation and isolate y by dividing by x squared. And now we can plug y into our surface area equation. Surface area is x squared plus 4 times x, and we will replace y with 32,000 over x squared. Simplifying this, we can get that surface area is x squared plus 128,000 x to the negative 1. Now that we have surface area in terms of a single variable, we can try to minimize this by taking the derivative. We have 2x minus 128,000 x to the negative 2. And we want to set this equal to 0. To solve this, we'll factor out 2x to the negative 2, leaving us with x cubed minus 64,000 equals 0. Set each of these factors equal to 0. 2x to the negative 2 set equal to 0. And x cubed minus 64,000 set it equal to 0. Now notice the equation on the left is going to have no real solution, so we're not going to use it. But we can solve on the right. X cubed equals 64,000. Cube root of both sides, and x is equal to 40. Now that we have what x is, we can plug it into y. Y is equal to 32,000 divided by 40 squared. That means y is 20. So the dimensions of the box that we're looking for are 40 by 40 by 20 centimeters. This will give us a volume of 32,000, and it will also minimize the amount of material used.